This is just a super quick video to show you the motor modification I did to my Hobbyking High Performance Racer Series. This is the MXSR of the three. So let's just have a quick look. Let's take that cowling off and I'll show you what's underneath there now. Now the first thing you're going to notice, there's about a 5mm offset because the new motor is longer and I didn't have time to mount it on the rear firewall. You'll see in a minute. So there she is, the 2836 2200 kV prop drive motor. Now as you can see, if I took the time to remove this firewall, I could sink the motor back, but then there seems to be there's a hole cut out of the existing firewall, so you'd have to put a bracket, you have to put a plate, you have to put a plate all around it to get that to mount onto that, and I just don't have enough time. But anyway, let's see how she flies. Let's see how she flies at the field. And there she is back together again. Yeah, you can see that offset there. Like I said, if I had the time, I'd move the engine mount back to prevent that, but you know, it doesn't look that bad. Like I said, I just don't have the time. And look, she flies great on the stock motor that comes with it, but I always just question, I mean, they build these things for such a cheap price. What would, you know, how would she go with a better motor? And you'll see how she flies in a minute. Okay, a little bit, have my hand on that. Okay, because it's going to be heavier, it's the front, isn't it? But I put the battery back a little bit, okay, to try and sort of counteract it. Righto. Just say everything's good, Rob.
Everything's good.
Everything's good. That's what I'd like to hear from you, mate.
Let her rip.
There you go. Ah. Ah.
That just slipped out of the hand there.
What did?
Sounds good too. Quiet, but you can hear it.
Low pass. There you go, full. So that's below half.
Yeah, right.
Okay, now I've got to bring her into line.
Plenty of strip. Yeah. Oh, good. Best landing ever.
Bit hot, but